everyone, happy Monday. I hope you're all having a great start to the week. I'm Dr. Ballman at Health House Chiropractic and Clinical Nutrition, and I am a chiropractor and advanced clinical nutrition response testing practitioner in San Angelo, Texas. And I wanted to jump on real quick and let you all know that our next patient education workshop will be Tuesday, September the 24th at 6:30 p.m. So mark your calendars. It's going to be awesome. We're going to be talking about EMFs. So what the heck is an EMF? It's electromagnetic field, and we're going to be talking more about that. So how does that affect your health, and what can you do to protect yourself? Something else we're going to be talking about is chiropractic care and why it's important. And we'll be talking about a couple of other topics too. So make sure that you give us a call because we want you here so that you can get as much free information as possible. So again, that's going to be Tuesday, September the 24th at 6:30 p.m. Our patient education workshops are free. Please let us know you're going to be there and let us know who you're going to bring with you. We can't wait to see you and hope you have a great week. Bye-bye.